What if I told you that your password could be stolen without anyone ever guessing it? The truth is, sometimes attackers guess passwords, but many times they simply steal them. It sounds surprising, but that's exactly how many cybercriminals gain access to people's accounts. From fake login pages to data breaches, there are several ways attackers can get your password, and chances are you've encountered some of them before. In this video, we'll show you the 5 most common ways passwords get hacked, and more importantly, what you can do to protect yourself. Let's dive in. The first method is weak passwords. Many people still use simple passwords such as 12345 password, or even QWERTY, which is simply the first 6 letters across the top row of a keyboard. Others use their own name, or birthday. If your password is simple or predictable, attackers can use automated tools to try millions of common password combinations in seconds. That means it may take only moments for them to guess your password. A strong password is long, unique, and difficult to guess. Another way passwords get hacked is through password reuse. Imagine you use the same password for your favorite shopping website, your email, and your online banking. Now imagine that shopping website suffers a data breach and your password is exposed. Cybercriminals often take those stolen usernames and passwords and automatically try them on hundreds of other websites. This is called credential stuffing. If you've reused the same password elsewhere, they may be able to access multiple accounts without ever having to guess your password. The third way is phishing. Instead of trying to crack your password, attackers often trick you into giving it to them. You might receive an email or text message that appears to be from your bank, Netflix, Microsoft, or another company you trust. The message asks you to log in, but the website is fake. The moment you enter your username and password, you've unknowingly sent them directly to the attacker. That's why it's always important to verify links before signing in. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our video on how to spot phishing emails after watching this one. Another common way passwords get hacked is through data breaches. Sometimes the problem isn't you. A company that stores your login information could be hacked. If attackers steal their customer database, your username and password may be exposed. Some of these stolen passwords are later sold or shared online. If you're using that same password on other accounts, those accounts could also become vulnerable. Malware is another way passwords get hacked. Malware, short for malicious software, is designed to harm your computer or steal information. It can secretly end up on your computer or device if you open suspicious email attachments, download software from untrusted websites, or click malicious links. Some types of malware, called keyloggers, record everything you type, including your passwords. Others can steal passwords already saved in your web browser. Installing the latest updates for your operating system, web browser, and antivirus software, and avoiding suspicious downloads and links can help protect your device and your passwords. Let's quickly recap. Passwords commonly get hacked because of weak passwords, reusing the same password across multiple accounts, phishing attacks, data breaches, malware. As you've seen, hackers don't always have to guess your password. Sometimes they guess it, other times they steal it, or take advantage of weak password habits. Fortunately, protecting your accounts doesn't have to be complicated. Use a strong, unique password for every account. Consider using a password manager, an app you can install on your phone or computer that securely creates and stores your passwords so you don't have to remember them all. Turn on multi-factor authentication whenever it's available. Always make sure you're signing in to a legitimate website before entering your password. Finally, keep your operating system, web browser, and antivirus software updated by installing the latest updates whenever they're available. These simple habits can go a long way toward protecting your accounts and reducing your risk of becoming a victim. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech and Cyber Simplified. Stay tuned for more simplified tech and cyber topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.